Okay, so we're going to do, I kind of like the way this one came out. I'm going to show you how I did this using a doily that I cut up into little pieces so that it's more realistic, like a rose or a flower petal. Alright, so what I did is I took again, same step that we did before. We took those little strips of the curtains and we folded them front and back. And it doesn't have to be so perfect when laying it down. Front, back, pinch there, a dab there. One against one across from each other. Again, front, back. And for your flowers, I totally recommend this one. It is like the best for your flowers. Totally saves your fingers from a lot of little burns. Okay. And my little curtain strips are about 3 by 3. And I went ahead and it's just an old curtain. You can pick up one at your Goodwill, or this is from the Goodwill, but you know, just an old curtain. Or if you have lace, cut it up. This is a little thicker than the lace, but you know, anything you have laying around, it's good enough for it. Do a little fray test, because I find that when you have fabric that frays easily, gives it a really nice tattered look. Okay, so we have that one. Then we're going to take this came in by the yard, so it's either cheesecloth or gauze. It's got, I don't know. See, I'll show you in a minute. So this is cheesecloth, right? This is cheesecloth that I purchased in little packs, and then this is the, I guess it's more like a gauze. I know. And I just kind of twist these. And put it diagonal from each other, and then just fill it in. They don't have to be so perfect. In fact, if they're not perfect, it's even better. Okay. And just twist these. I find that if you twist these, it's a lot easier to manage it. Look, I've been busy making flowers. I went through all the little cheese strips that I cut up. I said I needed to make flowers, and I sure did. Okay. Give it a little bit of a twist there just to get it kind of crazy going there. Like a pinwheel kind of thing. Clean up your glue webs, of course, because you will get lots of them. Alright, so what I did with this is I went in every little two. You don't want to cut all the way through, and just kind of cut it in strips. And just strips. Just like that. That way you have it more flexible and movable, you know, more dangly. And then just put a big glob of it in the center with glue. Stick that smack in the middle. Get your little finger dabby. And then just kind of pull and tuck things around as you hold it in place. Okay, and then go ahead and grab one of your little flowers that you worked on and pop it in the middle. Again, it's easier to hold your finger in the center and just kind of move things how you want it to be. Alright, fluff it out wherever it needs to be fluffed. Okay, then get your little strips of, you know, miscellaneous tassel stuff. There's one. There's a little crochet trim. Here's some of this thread. This stuff is really inexpensive to make tassels with, though. Very, very inexpensive. There's that left over. Oh, I went through all my stuff, so now it means I gotta make more. Alright, let's see. I got this one here. So I gotta get some of this here. And then we'll just grab a little piece of thread, thread it in the middle. And lift up on one of your little sections here that's and tuck it under there. Oh, I hate when that happens, when I run out of glue in the middle of something. Okay, tuck it in. Use your finger. Your little pink fingers are just lifesavers. Okay. Get your tassel going there. Clean your glue webs. And pick out your center. And I have gone through every little thing that I cut up. Just about. Center. Voila. Fluff it out. Clean out your glue webs like I said. Braid out more. Make it more tattered. And there you go. A really cute little flower. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Until next time, bye-bye.